Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make dice links on Monopoly Go. So first up here, open your Monopoly Go app as you can see on your screen. And then if you want more dices on Monopoly Go, you just need to send your Monopoly Go links. To do that, tap on the friends button right here at the bottom right. And here we have three tabs: add friends, timeline, and the leaderboard. Now I want you to go here on add friends. As you can see here, you have two buttons at the bottom, which is contacts. If you tap on contacts, as you can see right over here, if you connect your phone's contact to your Monopoly Go, then you will receive a 30 dice rolls. Now if we tap on this invite button, here you need to invite friends to receive some rewards, including the dice rolls. You can see if you invite, you can get 20 dice rolls, 60, and 100 dices. So what you're going to do here, just need to tap on the invite button, the yellow one at the top. And from here, you can copy the link and then you can paste it and send to your friends and family. Once you've done this one, you will get more dice rolls on Monopoly Go. So that's how you basically make dice links on Monopoly Go. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.